This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce this famous village. Yes, it is a village before it is a wine, but of course, Pomerol is also a wine famous for producing top quality Merlot wines from the Bordeaux wine region of France. Such wines such as the famous Pétrus Merlot, 100% Merlot wine, Pomerol. Pomerol is located on a very unique clayey soil that gives all its finesse and edgeworthiness to the wines from Merlot, red wines from Pomerol. Pomerol. For the typical French pronunciation, say Pomerol, Pomerol, Pomerol. But it'd be fine in English or American to say Pomerol, Pomerol. Insist on more the last syllable a little bit, Pomerol. Pomerol. Typical French pronunciation again, Pomerol. The wines from Pomerol. Pomerol. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.